Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah and welcome back to another 3, 2, 1 video in which I give you words, phrases and short sentences that I feel will be beneficial when traveling to Ghana. Before we get into today's translation, I'm going to need you guys to click that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section. It could be an emoji, it could be a love heart, even the country in which you're watching me from. Leave a comment, just let me know that you like these type of videos and you'd like to see more. So today's translation is I want or I need to go to the hospital. I want or I need to go to the hospital. And how you'd say that is mepɛ sɛ mekɔ ayaresabea hɔ. 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 Me is in reference to me, my, or I. Pɛ is to want or need something. Kɔ is to go. Kɔ is to go. Ayaresabea is in reference to the healing place, where you're healed of illness, sickness, or disease. So it's saying, I would like to go to that place where they heal illnesses, sicknesses, and disease. Ayaresabea. Ayaresabea hɔ. That place, hɔ is there. Mepɛ sɛ mekɔ tongue twister. Mepɛ sɛ mekɔ ayaresabea hɔ. Mepɛ sɛ mekɔ ayaresabea hɔ. Mepɛ sɛ mekɔ ayaresabea hɔ. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video.